What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? We're gonna head over to the Ryker Hospital and we're gonna do some work on a Can-Am Spyder. I believe it's like a 2015 or 2019, I'm not sure. RS. They want to light it up with total underglow. Never did that before, but I'm up to the challenge. It's gonna be 16 rock lights. Rock lights, the ones that you usually see on Jeeps and trucks. We're gonna mount those all over the Can-Am to give it an underglow look without you ever seeing the lights. So I'm up for the challenge. It's gonna be a complicated process. I'm not gonna film the whole thing. It's gonna be a real short video. If you like how it looks, hit me up below. Let's head on over to the shop and start the work. Yo, hold on, I got a bike in here. Hold on.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
I'm all good, man. Okay, we got the Spyder SRT here. We got the rock lights set up. It'll be 16 rock lights hidden. Hey!
1988, I retired here.
Wow. That's some story.